What is the laziest money-making method online at the moment? One, it must be able to allow you earn without having to get on a camera or be an influencer. Two, it must not have a large upfront investment required. And three, it should be sustainable yet allow you a lot of free time. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the lazy way to make money online that meets all these above requirements. Now, I'm not talking about going to do online surveys or watch ads or earn while you play games, all that kind of stuff. Don't get me wrong, all that is great. However, I'm going to share with you how you can make money using a high payout product plus a high traffic source. Now, don't get confused by all this grammar I just spoke because I'm going to break it down. Now, the very first step you want to do is you want to find an interest and a market for it. Just get a Google document and you want to write at least 20 things you are interested in. And this could be either hobbies or things you do for fun. For example, I like to watch movies, or I like to listen to music, or I like to travel, all that kind of stuff. There are 5 top profitable niches that actually command high demand. And these are finance, health, technology, travel, and people. So what you want to do is you want to match those hobbies you've written out in your Google Docs to the closest categories from these 5 profitable niches. So you want to place it side by side and see which of them matches or which of them is in the closest relationship to these 5 categories of the top niche for this side hustle model. So once you have found that, delete all the other hobbies. Now, don't worry. I'm going to show you while we're doing this. Now, the very next step is to partner with a finished high payout product. Now, there are a bunch of websites online that have marketplaces which give you access to money that you make from sales. And these are like Clickbank. We have the likes of Digistore. So basically what you want to do is you want to go on any of these platforms, register, you want to sign up, and you want to look for a product that is priced at least, let's say $500. Depending on what you want to do, you can choose $200, but let's say $500 because we're looking at the highest earning potential for this. You are also going to look at products that relate with the kind of things that you wrote down, which matches those 5 niches. So let's take, for example, I wrote down traveling. So what you want to do is you want to go there and look for products that relate with travel. It could be travel guides, it could be tips on getting the best or cheapest hotels wherever you go, stuff like that. You want to look for products that surround that kind of interest that you already have. Now you want to promote it because you are going to be giving a link to promote such products. Now, if you have any question before I proceed, please feel free to ask it in the comment section, or there's any step that you do not understand and you would like to get clarity on. Now, the third step you want to do is you want to go on YouTube and you want to write down the niche that you've picked. So let's say out of these 5 niches, remember we have finance, we have health, we have tech, we have travel, we have people. So let's say I picked health. What you want to do is you want to type health in the search bar, and the videos that pop up, you want to go there and take the first 5 videos you see. You want to go to their channel and you want to go to the most popular. You can easily do this by clicking on popular. So what you want to do is you want to pick the most popular for. So if you do this for the 5 videos that you see, which will most likely be 5 different channels, you already have 20 video ideas. Now, what you are going to do is you're just going to watch it. And for me, I would just like to do it the lazy way. You can watch it in 2 times speed while lying on your couch, sipping your juice, because this is already something that you have an interest. The 4th step is to use Google Doc to summarize each video. Mind you, this is the reason why I advise you to choose a niche you are interested in, because that way you are able to understand it's something you can relate with, and you are able to tweak it to add your own sprinkle of flavor. Now, to be straight up with you, this step you may have to do a little work, but it gets easier, trust me, because this model has the ability to make you recurring revenue. Any normal job, the moment you stop working, the moment you stop doing it, the income stops. But this one it has the potential to make you recurring income because you can do it once and keep earning from it. Now, the 5th step is once you have summarized all this on Google Docs, you want to leverage on slides. You can easily do this by going to Google Slides website to just put all of that thought inside it. And just to make it more descriptive and catchy, you can leverage or add charts and diagrams. And once all that, you can now do a video recording your screen, adding a voiceover. And for the video, you can leverage an OBS, which is absolutely free. Now, the sixth step, once you have finished recording those videos, you want to upload them on YouTube and you want to optimize with Video IQ, then add your unique link. That's the link that you must have gotten from those websites, either it's Clickbank, Digistore, or the likes. You want to add that unique link in the description and in the comment section. Now, you want to schedule them so they can be published as exactly when you want. If you do 3 videos per week, it's roughly 144 videos a year. So if you have at least 1K views per video, and let's say you have about 0.4% sales monthly, and you're selling a product priced at, let's say, $500, then you are having about $2,000 monthly. So let's say you are to get 50% of that. That is $1,000 monthly. Easy peasy. I mean, there are videos like that I made way back as far as 2 years ago, and they are still gaining views today. So imagine how much more you make videos within a year, and those videos keep climbing and keep making sales for you. Now, this is just an estimate, and I'm not implying that this is a one kind of result that would work for everybody, but I'm showing you what is actually possible and what I like to call the lazy way of making money online. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you a few bonus tips that will help you potentially make even more, or to make the most as you can. And the very first one will be ensure you include a CTA in your video referring to the link. So a CTA literally means call to action. You want to just chip it in so it enables them to be much more aware to go to the link and click it. Now, the second tip is creating recurring revenue, which I like to call the lazy recurring revenue. This can easily be done when you look for products that charge monthly rates. A simple and easy example is softwares. For example, we have softwares like vidIQ, we have TubeBuddy, where you need to pay monthly. If you are promoting such products like that, you are making recurring revenue by just referring people who will subscribe monthly just to remain on such platforms. Now, the third step and the last tip I would like to leave for you is make sure your videos are moderate in length to ensure you are attracting the most people to your call to action. Now, the major aim we are doing this on our YouTube is because we want to call people to our affiliate link that we've put in the description. Our major aim is not YouTube monetization via ads, because a lot of people may get it mistaken and want to put lengthy videos on the platform and may get frustrated. If you found this video helpful, do want to smash the like button. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button to join the family, as I drop a lot more videos on how to make money online easily. And also, I would like to be sharing you a video on an automated way of creating such videos. If you do not want to have to use screen recording, I'm going to be attaching a video so you can also go there. Comment where you're watching from. I'd like to know. Do not forget to smash the notification bell icon so when next I drop a new video, YouTube will notify you first. Stay tuned and bye.